हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू CivTech सिंप्लीफाइड। मेरा नाम इमरान अजीज है और मैं आपको अपने चैनल पर खुशामदीद कहता हूं। सर्वेइंग एंड लेवलिंग पार्ट 21 में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्दर एमसीक्यूज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 201 टू 210। सो ये स्पेशली तैयार किए गए हैं उन इंजीनियर्स के लिए जो अपने आप को गेट एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए तैयार करते हैं, और इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ फॉर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ जॉब इंटरव्यूज और टेस्ट्स और SSC JE एग्जाम। सो इन वीडियोस को मुकम्मल देखिए, इनको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और CivTech सिंप्लीफाइड को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। सो लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन जहां पे एक प्रेजेंटेशन के थ्रू फर्दर आपके साथ ये क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए जाएंगे। सर्वेइंग फॉर SSC JE पार्ट 21 में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 201 टू 210। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 201 says that according to Lehmann's rule of plane tabling, option A, the distance to the point sought from each of the three rays is proportional to the distance of the three known points from the instrument station. Option B, when the instrument station is outside the great circle, the point sought is always on the same side of the ray drawn to the most distant point as the intersection of the other two rays. Option C, when looking in the direction of the reference point, the point sought is on the same side of each of the three rays. Option D is all of the above. So Lehmann's rule में ये तमाम जो options हैं A, B and C are correct. Therefore D is the correct answer for this question, which is all of the above. The strength of fix of a plane table from three known point is good if the middle station is dash than the other two stations. Option A, nearer. Option B, farther. So it's nearer. अगर आपका मिडिल स्टेशन बाकी दो पॉइंट से नजदीक है तो स्ट्रेंथ उसकी बेहतर होगी. So A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 203. The strength of fix of a plane table from three known point is poor if the instrument station is nearer to the great circle. Option A is correct and option B is incorrect. So it's correct. A is the correct answer for this question. 204. A reverse curve consists of option A, a single curve of a circle connecting two straights. Option B, two arcs of different radii bending in the same direction. Option C, two arcs of equal radii bending in the same direction. Option D, two arcs of equal or different radii bending in the opposite direction. So a reverse curve consists of option D is correct, which is two arcs of equal or different radii bending in the opposite direction. 205. A compound curve consists of two arcs of equal radii bending in the same direction. Option A is right, option B is wrong. So B is the correct answer, which is wrong. 206. When the centers of the arc lie on the opposite side of the common tangent at the junction of two curves, it is known as option A, simple curve, option B, vertical curve, option C, compound curve, option D is reverse curve. So D is the correct option, it's reverse curve. 207. A simple circular curve is designed by option A, radius of the curve, option B, curvature of the curve, option C, angle subtended at the center of the chord of any length, option D, angle subtended at the center by the chord of particular length. So a simple circular curve is designed by option D is correct, which is angle subtended at the center by a chord of particular length. 208. The degree of the curve is the angle subtended by a chord of dash length. Option A, 15 meter, option B is 20 meter, option C is 25 meter, and option D is 30 meter. So D is the correct option, which is 30 meter. Question number 209. When R is the radius of the curve in meters, D is the degree of the curve in degrees, and length of the chord is 30 meters, then the relation between R and D is option A, R is equal to 1520 by D, B, R is equal to 1720 by D, C, R is equal to 4500 by D, and D, R is equal to 5400 by D. So B is the correct option, R is equal to 1720 by D. The angle between the back tangent and forward tangent of a curve is known as option A, deflection angle, option B is central angle, option C is angle of intersection, and D is none of these. So C is the correct option for this question, it's angle of intersection. So friends, this was our part 21 जिसमें हमने 10 MCQs आपके साथ शेयर किए. I hope इस वीडियो से आपने लर्निंग डेवलप की होगी. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में जहां पे फर्दर 10 MCQs आपके साथ शेयर किए जाएंगे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 211 से 220 तक. तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और CivTech सिंप्लीफाइड को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. तो लेट्स मीट अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड हैव अ गुड डे.